Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing this stock Bank Nifty. Okay, if you watch this stock closely, we'll find out that Bank Nifty has actually trading in a channel. Bank Nifty is actually trading in this sort of a channel. Okay, in 5 minute and 15 minute charts. Okay, and if you watch this stock in 5 minute charts, you will find out that this stock has given a breakdown below this level of 35,450, and it has actually managed to take support around this trend line only. Okay, so if it takes support of this trend line, and tomorrow if it goes around this level again, okay, around 35,470 rupees, and then again falls like this, and if again goes upside like this, and then if it will break this resistance line of 35,480 rupees, okay, then only we will consider this stock to buy, and we will take this target of 35,720 rupees towards the upside on intraday basis. So why this sort of a trade? See, remember, if the stock makes this sort of a pattern, okay, then it will be a inverted head and shoulders kind of a pattern, and as you all know, inverted head and shoulder patterns results into upside breakout. Okay, so upside breakout may result into this stock to go towards this target, right? So if this target comes to your mind, you can know that this is the target of head and shoulders. So this is my short analysis for Bank Nifty on intraday basis. But if you'll watch this stock in swing positions or in context of these levels, okay, see, let's activate this EMA levels of ours. Okay, if we'll activate this EMA levels, then you will understand that currently the Bank Nifty is actually trading above 200 EMA, right, in 15 minute 30-minute time frame, right, in 15 minute as well, in 30-minute as well, it is trading above 200 EMA. So what will happen, we can't short this stock. But remember, if this gives a breakdown below this level, right, this level of 35,000 80 rupees, then only Bank Nifty will turn bearish, and it will come towards the target of 34,800 rupees. So almost 200 to 250 rupees fall can occur below this level, right? So be careful and trade Bank Nifty accordingly. This is my short analysis for Bank Nifty. Thank you for watching.